Today I'm at Kawangware market in Nairobi for one simple reason. I need new underwear, maybe some socks, maybe a shirt. Let's see if we find them. So let's go. Okay, we have here many chickens. Wow, hello.
Yes.
It's okay when I make a quick video?
What?
It's okay when I make a quick video about the chickens?
You want to talk with or I go to the chicken, then you take a video.
Yeah.
Okay, continue.
Can you tell me why you have here many chickens? Yeah, what's the price of one chicken?
The price of that is 1,500.
1,500?
Yes, this one is for 1,900.
Okay.
And Ivo, which else you want?
And people are buying here for cooking or?
No, they just come. Yeah, they buy for cooking.
Okay, because they don't lay eggs.
Yeah, no, those are
males.
Those are males.
Okay.
Yeah, but we have females here. Some of them.
Okay.
They are kuchanganyika. Yeah.
What are they?
Now they are mixed.
Mixed. Okay, they're mixed there.
Yeah, they are mixed up.
And how many chickens do you sell per day?
Maybe 50, 40.
50 or 40?
Yeah.
Well, a lot.
How do you call it in English? Economy. Economy. The economy is very, very poor.
Okay.
That's why we sell 40.
Okay. And from where you buy this chicken? From farmers?
Very far. Very far.
Okay.
Very far.
Where?
We live to vary.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you bring them here?
Yeah.
Every day?
No. Maybe for a week or 2 weeks.
Okay.
It depends how the customer comes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you so much.
Two. What's your name?
I'm Baga.
I'm
Nice
Baga.
to meet you. And
My
you?
name is David.
David.
So you meet me again and again.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, maybe I come. Thank you so much. I need to find some t-shirts and stuff. And chickens. There are some more chickens. Chickens. Okay, let's continue. We found some chicken, but no underwear, no t-shirt, no socks. Let's see. Bananas. A lot of corn here. Potatoes. Plastic stuff. Leather stuff. Bodas. Jumbo. Onions. Okay, right now I don't see any clothes, but let's keep searching. Okay, I have also a lot of vegetables, mango, onions, plastic stuff. Oh, here are shoes. Hello, sir. Can I make a quick video? Yeah. Do you have also a t-shirt or sock?
What do you want?
Huh?
What do you want?
T-shirt and socks.
T-shirts
Are there here t-shirt? Or which way? Which way I have to go?
You just get the socks. They are there.
Okay, socks are there. Okay, so I go there. Thank you so much. This way I have to go for the socks. And now I don't see any socks. School books. Jumbo. Here we got some meat. Wow. Everything except the things I want. So let's see. Oh, okay, there is written fashion center. So it's probably here. Happy New Year. It's okay to make a video? It's okay when I make a video?
You can make a video to me.
Okay. How are you?
Some to me.
What's your name?
My name is Peterson.
Peterson.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Peterson. What are you doing here?
I'm just carrying things.
You're carrying on the market.
Yeah.
Okay, what you're carrying?
Everything like this.
Okay.
Banana, and then some that baggage
Okay, so you carry them from one place to another.
to another.
Okay, nice. And how long you've been doing that?
Long time.
Long time.
Yeah.
Nice. It's an important job you have. Okay, see you, eh?
Yeah.
Peterson, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. So here I see some clothes. Let's go. Hello. Hello. It's okay when I make a quick video? No problem. Thank you so much, sir. Do you have socks here or underwear and t-shirts?
Socks.
Yeah.
Socks you can't buy right now.
Can't find.
Yeah, today is on tomorrow. Maybe
Only tomorrow are socks.
Yeah.
Today no socks.
Today no socks unless you buy the new ones.
Okay. And where are new ones?
What?
New socks?
New socks.
Yeah.
Yeah, new socks you have.
Where? Which direction?
You need for which price?
Just normal price.
No more prices.
Yeah,
how much?
just any socks. I just need some
300
socks.
or for 100.
Tea. There is chapati.
Chapati, nice, looks good. Is this your breakfast? Nice.
You can just go.
Okay, this way I have to go. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, first he said there are no socks today, but I think he meant second-hand socks, and I anyway rather take new ones, I guess. So let's search for the new socks. Here are some children's stuff, not for me. Some watches. Hello, sir. Jumbo Jumbo. Here we have many clothes, skirts. Socks and t-shirt and underwear, but new. Yeah, which way?
We have some clothes here.
Which way? Ah, there, okay. Perfect. Just right on the opposite side of the street. Hello, is it okay to make a video?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, thank you so much. You have socks here, right?
I have socks.
How much is one pair of socks?
One pair of socks is 100 shillings only.
Only 100 shilling? Okay, sounds like a good price. Then I take two. Two large.
Too nice.
Yes.
Yes, no problem.
Thank you so much. And do you also have underwear?
And yes, I have underwears, these tights.
Okay. Yeah, just doesn't matter. Yeah, okay, then I also take two of them.
You'll take two.
Yeah, how much are they?
200,
Hi, hello. Thank you, you too.
250 per piece.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Okay, so I take two socks and two underwear. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
Have a nice day. Thank you, Happy New Year. Yes, so I found socks, I found underwear. Now I just need to find one t-shirt. Well, for the t-shirt I don't care if it's used, in fact. Hello, sir. It's okay to make a video? It's okay? Okay. Thank you so much. So, hello. Hello, sir. You're the owner of the shop. I want to buy a t-shirt.
T-shirt,
Just random one. How much are they?
we have this one,
Yeah.
1,200.
1,200?
This one, 800.
Yeah.
This one is the same.
A Balenciaga shirt, okay.
And this one,
Yeah.
700.
700, basic one. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then I'm gonna see. Here you also got some football shirts. How much are they?
Sports.
Yeah.
This one is 650.
600 for a sport shirt. Okay. Now let's see.
This one.
You know what? I just take a simple one. This one.
This one.
Yeah. How much is this?
700.
700. Okay. So I'm fine with that. Here you go. So you can tell me which one would you take? Would you take one of this football shirts. Or one of these designer shirts. Or just a simple basic one like I take. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Welcome.
See you. Bye bye. So, I think I already got everything now. I got my shirt, I got the underwear, I got the socks. Now I just have to go out again of this market. Before there were some boda bodas. So let's take a boda boda to bring me back to the hotel. Already packed. Hi. Hello, hello. People are shouting and waving at me from the buildings. Okay, here are boda bodas. Let's check. Hello, boda boda. I will show you. It's okay when I make a video?
Yeah, it's okay.
No problem.
No problem, yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
We go with map.
Okay, so let's go there. Perfect.
Maju. Tumeenda maju. Maju
Okay, you see, many of these boda boda have also music, right?
Yeah, it sounds heavy.
Okay. So this was it. I will now have lunch and in the afternoon I will go to Kibera.